as you get up here towards the peak area, you get locked into this interesting little maze of wood, funky mangrove looking forest. Having a lot of fun here. Right. Woo. It's so cool, we're just hanging out in the shrubbery. It's kind of like little bonsais. Because of the altitude, Nilo was saying doesn't grow too tall, but it's really fun. We're in like a little happy green patch right near the top of Hibok here.
Some gummy bears.
How you doing, Bit?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm good.
Want some snacks?
Want some gummy bears?
No. 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 No, you get...
What are you asking for? It's confusing.
It's a caveman language right here.
Yeah. That's all with the minerals, with the vitamins and minerals from the soil.
Top tip, use your camera to get free food from other people's snack bags.
Good idea.
Whew. So we're about 1,230 meters up right now, almost near towards the peak. That's where we're headed now, maybe another 30 minutes through this intense greenery. It's really fun. Whew.
Very lucky with the clearing, man.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Met the Neil yet.
Okay, so we've made it to the summit. Let's check it out.
Here you have White Island to your right, Mount Tipahong over there, that's the highest peak, and just so much greenery everywhere, and friends you can selfie with. Yeah! Okay, so this whole trip is just kicking off, and of course I'm with my friends who are the Fighter Boys, but actually what's really special today is we didn't just climb Mount Hibok here in Kebikon ourselves. We joined up with a lot of amazing mountaineers and nature lovers and just people from all over the Philippines. I'm sitting with some of them right now. This is Karina.
Hi.
She's actually climbed the 7 highest mountains on each continent in the world. Woo! And that is incredible. So I feel very cool climbing this with her.
And this is our training ground.
This is your training ground?
Yeah.
Really?
Hibok.
That's amazing. She's from Don Carlos in Bukidnon, right? So we're like Saling and Mindanao. This is Gid, and he has something called Pinoy Mountaineering. He's been mountaineering for how long?
I don't
It's too long. Too long.
He was born.
He was born. He grew up. And this is Selena. She's from Rizal, right?
Yeah.
And you've been travel writing and going all over the country as well, no?
Yeah.
That is so cool. Anyways, I guess all together we would just agree that, you know, as we were climbing today, we noticed the trail was so clean and very beautiful. Everyone we were with was so respectful, and that's something that we hope that all of you will continue to do if you choose to come climbing. Would you guys like to say anything?
Absolutely. You cannot be an advocate of something you cannot appreciate. You cannot love what you do not know. So by immersing in nature, you'll get to be an advocate of it.
Absolutely. So I guess just come and enjoy the nature in the Philippines because it's incredible.
Yeah.
And make sure you do so responsibly. And then when you're done doing that as well, make sure you always have fun. So, adios.
Peace.
Awkward dancing, awkward dancing. Look at everybody over here. Yay! Don't look at Brett. Look at Bit. He's so grumpy. Whew. Okay, we're winding our way back down. That was incredible. Camiguin Island has 14 volcanoes, and as you can see, hello Gloria, how are you? These are the local guides. You can come and climb them, and I highly suggest you do this because a lot of people come here, they go to White Island, you know, they go swimming, they go to the Sunken Cemetery, they check out the incredible marine biodiversity. Woohoo! Stumbling down. But what you can do is you can come and you can swing like a monkey here and work your way up 1,332 meters and climb Mount Hibok, which is an active volcano. I mean, and you can stumble as you go. But whew, this was a new trail. We were the first group to actually, here we go. Woohoo! We were the first group to take it. It's been established and they're gonna open this to public really soon. Right now Hibok is closed, but anytime soon they're gonna open this up. So just contact the tourism office, get your permit from the DNR, and then climb an active volcano in Camiguin Island because that was incredible. Right, Gloria?
Yes.
Yes, Gloria approves. Gloria approves. Sige, kaya. Good, you know. When's na? Chinelas? We've been walking this whole mountain. He's been wearing chinelas the whole time. When's the brand? Spartan?
Spartan.
Pila bayad? Guess what? 60 pesos, bro. Buy a new pair. Ayos? I just wanted, you know, he's got chinelas this whole trek. And he told me earlier, he's like, yeah, they're my 60 peso chinelas. And nanu mag chinelas. Mas ganahan? So Ganina, like when we were climbing, like, why does he want to wear chinelas? She's like, I just like it. So he just climbed a volcanic mountain with 60 peso chinelas. That deserves a new pair. So I just bought him a new pair. The best 60 pesos ever, no? Grabe. Mas maayo. Maayo, man. You hardcore, Jana. Grabe. He's my same age as me, 30 years old. A legend. Oh, we're having a laugh coming down now. I've caught up with the rest of the fighter boys. Good luck, Brad.
Look at me, Dad. Look at me go.
Oh my gosh, man. Oh, Dad.
Stupid vine,
Go grab the tree, that's actually fun.
Dad, it's not the stupid vine. It's you lunging over this. Dude, you look like a rickety old man. Oh! Oh, you are the worst at checking down.
I'm good at this. Last time was because you made me go on, what's it called, on the old
Chinelas.
Oh, I'm a little bored here. Like, used to, like,
You're not bad, eh? Whee! Oh my.
oh, look at these lilies. Look how big these lilies are.
Oh, down we go.
Oh, that's so cool. These lilies, big water.
Whoa. How's it going, Mike?
Man, it's going very well.
How was your trek?
The way down is a little more precarious, but a lot faster.
So we power on.
That's right.
Whoa, what is that? Oh.
I'm hit.
It's alright?
Yeah.
Good vibes? I thought it was an animal. I thought it was some sort of snake was attacking Mike. Alright, Mike, what's going on?
We found a vine. Finn found a vine. It's gonna be better than Disney World. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, Mick.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. Mike, don't leave me hanging, man. That was cool, actually. I gotta try that.
Kyle, I want you to start from where you are.
Okay.
I don't know what you
And grab the top. Go.
Sometimes you just gotta be one with nature.
Let go.
Oh, I'm not letting go. Oh, you want me to let go? What kind of fighter boy is that? You wanted me to die into a tree?
Oh, see, now he's confident. Now let go.
Oh no, go back, go back. I don't have enough momentum almost to get back. Okay. Children, remember to respect nature, but you can still play with it. Just respect it.
I can't do this. I just got here. I just got back.
Dan, init the towel.
Well, you should have joined us. That's why you didn't join us. He didn't join us on purpose. I knew it. That was, ow! Ah! It's so hot.
Thank you.
Yes. Hi.
Congratulations.
Oh, sorry, we did it. Victory. Thank you, Kia. Salamat. Fist pump. Buko pump.
Amazing. So how was it?
Awesome. Really.
Hello.
Honey, for
Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Who made this? That is... Thank you, Jen. Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you want the note? Was that for you?
No, it's for the boys over here.
Do you want more banana?
I will in a minute.
This is for Daniel.
Okay, so we're back at the bottom after a nice little hike. I got a
Champorado.
Champorado, which is rice chocolate porridge.
Yes. And you should add...
Mike, do you want sugar
This.
or condensed milk?
I will take a little bit of condensed milk, please. Okay, we're back down from the bottom, and we're here examining our bumps and bruises, and it turns out I have gotten bitten by a leech. The best souvenir from Hibok Hibok. The thing is, it looks really painful, but they have anticoagulants in their saliva, so they bite you, and it just keeps bleeding. It actually doesn't hurt at all. But yeah, it's a pretty nice souvenir. I have a cup full of champorado, which is like chocolate rice pudding.
Yeah.
A Filipino thing.
Yep.
Nothing like a nice hot bowl of porridge after a nice hot hike. We'll give that a minute. We'll give that a minute.
No, you won't.
No,
Get
it's way
into
too
it.
hot. It's still way too hot.
Okay, I'll give it a minute. So, I've given Mick some champorado after hike. Mick, what are you thinking right now?
Why would I want something so hot after such a hot hike?
Because it's delicious.
Oh, I'm sure it's delicious, but it's like 100 degrees Celsius.
But it's chocolatey rice porridge that makes all Filipinos and myself happy.
It could be the most delicious thing in the world right now, but I can't put it in my body.
Mike, you're supposed to be happy and then trying it and eating it and smiling.
I'm happy, but I don't want third-degree burns.
he's already got a leech bite. Let him be.
I already have a leech bite. Stop with the
Shit.
torture.
That's fun. Phil's just waiting for that reaction. Look at him. He's gonna orgasm with that reaction. Dude, I cannot. Dude. You, Dan, ruined all good camera shots.
Freezing right now. It's gotten a lot colder.
Yeah,
We should have some champorado. That was cold now. Yeah, it's freezing now.
I like the feel of
I hate public speaking. It's something I want to get better at though.
Yeah, I know, me too, but it's not supposed to improv. I just don't. I'm not.
How about you, Mike? How are you good? How are
Mike's a legend. Talk to Linkowski, he's great.
No, but maybe, but it's still, I still like, it's not
like
fun. I mean, it's not that it's not fun. It just always stresses me out so much.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
Always.
What stresses you? Public speaking. Oh, guess what?
Kudos is really good.
I love it.
Yeah, obviously.
Because I love the
everything.
Attention. No joking. But yeah, no.
Hey, Dan son.
He's really good because he's a
Dan
teacher.
son.
He's good.
Yeah.
You grew up as a teacher. You were a teacher before, right?
All right, what's up, my fellow jungle trekkers? What's good? What's good, my Uncle Biggie? I suck at public speaking, so I'm gonna make this like super short and sweet. Today was awesome. All you guys, that was so much fun. Everyone had such a positive attitude, and it was just so cool going in the mountains. It was my first jungle trek here in the Philippines, so it was one to remember. And you guys all made it very memorable for me, so thank you very much.
Brett Maverick's so sweet, man. Are you happy? Yeah, it was a good guy. We're just doing talks. It's the end of the day, end of the trek. I don't even know if you can hear me with the music, but that was Brett.
Thank you, Brett. Next up.
Wait, this is fake.
Good joke! You knew it was fake!
I'm not drunk. Did he not say? No, it's just singing outing. I took the story. The speech isn't going as planned. Alright, okay, back to the speech. This is my second time at Kibok Kibok. I went up in 2017 from Yumbing. Thank you, everybody. And yeah, I just hope as well for those of us who do stuff in social media or in any sort of media that we obviously promote the beauty of the place and also just try and get people connected with the place so they respect it, because it was really great being with a lot of people who respected it today too. So I'm done.
Thanks, Kyle!
Thanks, guys.
No, you didn't. Don't even try to give me that. Trying to hype the crowd up with a good joke. I liked it though. Hey.
You know, in reintroduction of mountaineering in Montibok Kibok. As time and time again, the challenge of ecotourism is to how to balance it with the biodiversity conservation. I hope that the ecotourism will serve as a strategy to conserve, to protect, and to rehabilitate biodiversity.